So if Jesus says that in the last days there are going to be those outside the kingdom, and he specifically says, "Depart from me, you who practice lawlessness," same Jesus says all over the scripture, "If you love me, keep my commandments." Paul talks about, do we make void the law through faith? Certainly not. Paul says we establish the law. James says faith without works is dead, being alone. In Revelation, Jesus again says, "Blessed are those who do my commandments and have the right to the tree of life." If that's the case, why does the church say that we no longer have to keep his commandments if Scripture says otherwise? Make it make sense.